Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you get internet connection but you cannot browse Google Chrome or Google Play Store on your Motorola Moto G22. So in order to fix that, we'll need to move to our settings. From here, scroll all the way down and find System. Here click on the date and time and enable set time automatically with network provided time or GPS provided time. Now let's move back to our Google Chrome, reload the page, and as you can see it loads properly, and the same is with Google Play Store. We can try again and it's already here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.